Cardano bulls, brace yourselves. The $1 mark? Gone. And now, we're staring down the barrel of the 90-cent support. Is this the beginning of the end for ADA, or will the bulls fight back and reclaim lost ground? We've seen some wild swings in the market lately, but can Cardano bounce back, or are we heading for a bigger correction? Stick around, because today, we're diving deep into Cardano's price action, and trust me, you won't want to miss this one. Hello, fellas watching around the world. Welcome back to another exciting episode of the Zaki Crypto Update channel, where we bring you the latest and most accurate crypto insights. If you're looking for an in-depth analysis of the crypto market, you're in the right place. Today, we're focusing on none other than Cardano, ADA, and what its current price action is telling us. If you're wondering whether to buy, sell, or hold ADA, you definitely need to stick around until the end. But before we get into today's analysis, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Trust me, this is one you'll want to see through to the end. Okay, so here's the burning question on everyone's mind. Can Cardano defend the 90-cent support, or are we about to see a massive drop towards lower levels? The broader market is pulling back, and Cardano is feeling the heat. But is this just another dip, or are we seeing a bigger trend form? Stay tuned as we break down the charts, talk about price targets, and share some crypto opinions along the way. Trust me, you'll want to hear this one. Before we dive deeper, I want to know what you think. Do you think Cardano will pull off a bounce back and break the $1 barrier again? Or are we headed for a deeper plunge? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe if you haven't already. We're building a great community here, and we'd love to have you on board for more crypto insights. Now, let's jump back into the analysis. Alright, let's take a closer look at what's really going on with Cardano. ADA, the beloved altcoin, has had a rough couple of days. The price has slipped below the $1 psychological mark, and right now, Cardano is trading at $0.964. A drop like this is a big deal, especially when you consider that $1 is a major psychological support level. But, as we've seen with crypto before, support levels don't always hold, and that's where things get interesting. First, let's talk about the broader market. We've seen a pullback of 1.62% in the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, and this has had a direct impact on the altcoin sector. With the altcoin market now sitting at $1.05 trillion, a lot of coins are feeling the pressure, and Cardano is no exception. Over the past 24 hours, ADA has dropped by 3.35%, bringing its 7-day return into the red at -8.61%. Not exactly the kind of performance we were hoping for from a coin that many considered a top-tier player. Looking at the charts, things are starting to look a little concerning for ADA. If we take a close look at the daily chart, we can see a classic double-top reversal pattern forming. This is one of those patterns that signals a potential shift in trend. The first top was around the $1.10 area, and the second top, just a little higher, didn't have the strength to push through. Now, ADA is slipping lower, and the bears are coming out in full force. Currently, ADA is sitting at $0.9657, which represents a 1.75% intraday pullback. This marks the second consecutive bearish candle, which is a strong indication that the market sentiment is shifting negative. What's more concerning is that ADA is struggling to break above the 20-day EMA, exponential moving average, which is typically seen as a short-term resistance level. If ADA can't reclaim the 20-day EMA, it's going to be tough for the bulls to mount a comeback in the near term. But here's the thing, the bears aren't stopping there. Sellers are now pressuring the 50-day EMA, and if this bearish trend continues, we could see ADA testing the 90-cent support level. Now, that's where things could get very interesting. The 90-cent mark isn't just some random number, it aligns perfectly with the double top pattern we're seeing. If ADA breaks that level, it could open the door to even more downside action. So, what happens if 90 cents doesn't hold? Well, in that case, the next significant support lies at $0.8365, which lines up with the 100-day EMA. That would represent a serious drop for ADA, and if it happens, a lot of people will be reevaluating their bullish stance on Cardano. But let's not get ahead of ourselves, there's still hope for a bounce here. If the market picks up and broader sentiment turns positive, ADA could start to turn things around. The key resistance levels to watch would be the $1 psychological mark and the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level at $1.05. These are going to be crucial areas for ADA to break through if it wants to recover from this pullback. But what if Cardano manages to turn things around and start rising again? Well, there is a bullish scenario that could play out. ADA has maintained a higher low formation in its price action, which suggests there's still potential for an upward move. If this higher low formation continues, Cardano could form an ascending triangle pattern, which is a bullish chart pattern. The upper boundary of this triangle would be the $1.10 resistance zone, which is a tough nut to crack. If ADA can break through that resistance, we could see a move higher toward $1.20 or even $1.30. But, of course, we're getting ahead of ourselves here. There's still a lot of work to do before ADA can make that kind of move. Now, let's talk about the downside risk. If ADA drops below the 90-cent support level, that would invalidate the bullish outlook. In that case, we could see a further decline towards the 200-day EMA, which is currently sitting around 70 cents. That would be a significant drop, and it would certainly shake the confidence of a lot of investors who are currently holding ADA. But remember, cryptocurrency is volatile, and we've seen big moves in the past. So, while the downside risk is there, it doesn't mean the game is over for Cardano just yet. But here's the bottom line, ADA's long-term outlook remains strong. Cardano is a project that's been built with scalability, sustainability, and smart contract functionality in mind. Despite the current price pullback, the fundamentals of the project are still intact, and Cardano will likely play an important role in the future of blockchain and decentralized finance, DeFi. The key here is patience. If you're holding ADA, this could be a good opportunity to buy the dip. But as always, do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto is risky, and Cardano is no exception. Before I wrap up, let's talk about the bigger picture. We're seeing a lot of uncertainty in the broader crypto market right now. Bitcoin and Ethereum are struggling, and that's affecting the altcoins. However, if Bitcoin and Ethereum manage to find support and start recovering, we could see Cardano follow suit. So, keep an eye on the overall market, especially Bitcoin, because that will have a direct impact on Cardano's price action. Alright, guys, what do you think? Will Cardano bounce back, or is this the beginning of a bigger correction? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Join the Zaki Crypto Update community for all the latest crypto news and price analysis. We've got a lot more coming your way, so stay tuned. Thank you again for watching today's video. I hope you found this deep dive into Cardano's price action helpful. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to check out some of my other videos on the channel. I've got plenty of crypto updates, market insights, and predictions to keep you informed. And remember, this content is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Stay safe out there, happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.